Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a problem. I have one of these collets which I use on the concave machine. One of these collets here, you can see these holds the burrs on the concave machine, which actually gets stuck inside of a machine. So I have to use it with this tool here, which is a very small burr, diamond coated. The problem is that if I put it in here and I fit it inside of a machine, it actually blocks. You cannot take it out anymore, either or. You just have to, by force, you have to pry it out very, very strongly. So I have a problem. That means that the collet itself is slightly, probably a little bit too big. So when you fit it in, it remains in and there's no space anymore in the hole because it closes while the pressure, just the pressure of itself. So what I'm going to show you today is to solve the problem without actually having the part skinned again by a professional. You just use your Facetron to do this, you see. I set the collet which is defected, which is slightly too big. Okay, I fit it on one of the dops on Facetron. I first use the wax with the transparent block and the big flat dop, alright, to have it exactly square to the dop. And then what I did is I add up some super glue. So this is Q-bond, but you can use any strong super glue with a filler. Alright, it's a small tiny little powder, black powder, or depending what you're using, which actually bonds together with the acrylate of the glue, and you see, reinforces the attachment, as you can see. So what I do is just I put it on the Facetron at 90 degrees and I grind it to remove a little bit of material from the steel. Okay, I'll show you how. Very easy, very quick, and it's going to solve a lot of problems. You can see here, if you can see, it is 90 degrees, so the arm is at 90 degrees referred to the plane, which is the disc, the flap. Okay, I use a 320 grit lap, diamond coated. Just put the dop inside of the machine, like when you're cutting a stone. You just leave a little bit of dripping. Okay, pull down the lip here and you make it spin. So you put a bit of a break with the finger, you zero here of course, and you let it spin. As you get speed, you break it a bit, so it grinds a bit more instead of only spinning. And you go on until you got the right size. You're going to try it again and again on the collet. I'll show you. As I finish, I'll show you. Okay. Now I grind it for a while, so let's see. But I think it should be enough. We're just going to find out now. We try to put it on the machine and see if there is still a problem there. You remove all the dust, the dust of the steel from it, just blowing through, and we're going to check now if it works or not. If it doesn't, you just continue until it does. See? Let me see here if I can find, yeah. This is the collet. I mean, this is the place that you put the collet in. Let's see, yeah. Now, it's a much better fit. It's actually a perfect fit. Earlier it couldn't fit it at all. It was reaching until here, like this, maximum. So now instead, it goes and it can operate. Yeah, it's a bit tight to come out, but it's okay, I'm happy. I don't want to struggle too much. It should be fine for me. Okay. Now, you can see the finish is quite good. Alright? You can actually bring it to the shine of mirror, because the Facetron will allow you to polish it. But for me it's good enough. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's going to help you for many other pieces to actually change the shape on. And subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Alright? God bless and thank you for watching. Comment please. Bye bye.